right, Dad.
20.
All right, Dad.
Off.
All right, Dad, stop.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound until 10:15 p.m. At 9:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing an abrupt westerly wind shift and strong winds up to 50 knots from 4 nautical miles north of Bridgeport to East Bay, moving northeast at 55 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Smithtown Bay around 9:25 p.m., Stratford Shoal around 9:30 p.m., New Haven Harbor around 9:35 p.m., Port Jefferson Harbor around 9:45 p.m., the Thimbles around 10:05 p.m.
The Thimbles.
Mariners can expect an abrupt westerly wind shift, strong winds, high waves, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. The coastal waters